the best partner for nuclear power development. Spanish Nuclear Group is a consortium of 4 Spanish companies: ENSA, ENUSA, Tecnatom and Ringo Valvulas, set up in order to coordinate, increase and promote these companies' operations in the marketing sector of goods and services for nuclear power stations in which the core businesses carry out their activities. Spanish Nuclear Group carries out its activities in countries of the world for which the component companies consider this coordination and promotion to be appropriate. Spanish Nuclear Group is a legally independent body which does not carry out commercial operations. The commercial operations are carried out directly by the member companies. ENSA is a multi-system manufacturer of civil nuclear steam supply system components for use in nuclear power plants on a worldwide basis. The main products are NSSS components such as reactor pressure vessels, steam generators, pressurizers, RPV internals. ENSA also provides a further range of designs, services and components to the nuclear industry. These include design, supply and installation of new and spent fuel racks, spent fuel storage and transportation casks and supply of fuel assembly subcomponents, as well as providing technical support to NPPs such as design and supply of automated systems for use in NPPs and rad waste services. Since 1995, ENSA have cooperated successfully with the Chinese nuclear sector, being the supplier of design and manufacturing components such as steam generators, spent fuel transportation casks and spent fuel racks. Currently, ENSA is working on a steam generator project, steam generators and heat exchangers. Besides the Chinese projects, ENSA is also collaborating with Westinghouse to manufacture 4 AP1000 steam generators, with General Electric for the manufacture of ABWR and ESBWR reactor pressure vessels, and with EDF and Areva for the manufacture of several steam generators. ENUSA manufactures and supplies fuel assemblies for pressurized water reactors and boiling water reactors to the Spanish nuclear power plants and numerous nuclear plants in France, Germany, Sweden, Finland, Belgium and the United States. Fuel assembly, engineering and manufacturing is performed by ENUSA through the licensing agreement signed with Westinghouse Electric Company for pressurized water reactors and with General Electric for boiling water reactors. Fuel engineering activities range from product engineering to core reactor engineering. ENUSA also carries out reload engineering activities, including services for reload design and safety analysis. ENUSA invests 5% of its fuel sales in research, development and innovation programs. ENUSA manufactures the fuel assemblies at its Juzgado factory and is capable of producing PWR, BWR and VVER fuel to the strictest quality and environmental standards. ENUSA's human and technological capacity enables the development of fuel-related services at the nuclear power plants. ENUSA is greatly experienced in undertaking campaigns for fresh and irradiated fuel handling, inspection and repair of irradiated fuel by different methods and techniques, as well as rendering services for ultrasonic fuel cleaning, and continually invests in the development of new technologies in the field of fuel services for nuclear plants. Tecnatom, a private engineering company owned by Spanish electricity utilities, is a global leader in delivering advanced professional products and services to the nuclear industry. The company's main activities centre on services for inspecting the structural integrity of components, the training of operations personnel by means of full-scope simulators, and engineering in support of plant operation. Metalscan and M2M, both French companies, are part of the Tecnatom group. In 2007, Tecnatom constituted the joint venture company Scitec to provide inspection services to the thriving Chinese nuclear market. Tecnatom supplies high-tech services and products and possesses state-of-the-art mechanical, electronic and data processing design resources and programs. The company's most significant capabilities are in the following areas: training centres, simulation and simulators, inspection and operation engineering, inspection and testing services, equipment design development, spares management, radiological protection, laboratories, safety management, and advanced research and fusion reactors. In addition to the energy sector, important breakthroughs have been achieved in the development and manufacturing of inspection equipment and information technology systems for the aerospace, petrochemical, and railway sectors. Ringo Valvulas is equipped with very modern installations and equipment for manufacturing, assembly, test and inspection of any kind of valves. It has a team of highly qualified personnel with more than 20 years' experience in the design and manufacturing of nuclear valves. Ringo Valvulas manufactures gate, globe, check, diaphragm, butterfly, ball and control valves, as well as special designs in accordance with all major international standards and covering a wide range of sizes and pressure ratings. Ringo Valvulas is the first Spanish manufacturer of valves for service in nuclear power plants, with more than 90% of the market share of valves supplied for Spanish nuclear power plants. It is qualified for the supply of nuclear valves by the Spanish group of nuclear power plant owners, the Swedish Nuclear Authority for any nuclear plant in Sweden, NPQJVC in China, the Federal Electricity Commission of Mexico, and by Westinghouse for the supply of nuclear valves in any of their plants. Besides valves and spares, Ringo Valvulas has an engineering department fully qualified to develop the appropriate technical solutions for design changes and modifications to the existing equipments in their plants, working closely with its clients. Spanish Nuclear Group, through its members, offers all the products and services necessary for the design, construction and operation and dismantling of nuclear power stations. Commercial advantages of Spanish Nuclear Group. It has a wide range of capabilities, products and services. Nuclear steam supply system, fuel and main components. The creation of synergies based on previous and proven experience. Integrated services with added synergic value. Independent services from the main original equipment manufacturers. Innovative technologies and modern facilities to serve market demands. Experienced teams covering several specialist areas. Its own advanced technologies for nuclear plants and new reactors. Technology transfer capability. The enhancement and carrying out of a nuclear cooperation framework.